several differences between credit unions and banks. The two that I like to tell people about mostly is the first one, credit unions are not for profit. Any credit union's philosophy is people helping people. And the second one is we don't have stockholders. So if you're familiar with like the stock market and stuff like that, you can essentially buy a stock into a company and you own a portion of that company. So that's how banks kind of work. Credit unions are a little bit different. You can become a member. So if you have a savings account with us or a checking account with us, you essentially own a portion of the credit union. That is your share into the credit union. So when the credit union does well, you do well. And we do that by offering our members higher savings rates, lower loan rates, and you'll really notice that credit unions in general have either very little fees or no fees at all for a lot of products and services that many places will charge for. So your savings account is really where you're going to put your money that you're not going to touch. So if you're saving for retirement, college, maybe to go on vacation, or even an emergency fund. So if saving is really important to you, I would say to make it a line item in your budget. Your checking account, that's your transactional account. Put your paychecks in there, and that's where you're going to pay your bills. So if you're buying stuff by using cash or your debit card or something like that, that's where the money's coming in and out. So a debit card that's money that is being spent that you have. So whenever you use a debit card at like a store or you go to ATM to pull out cash, that money is coming from your checking account. So you're only spending money that you have. Credit cards, those are loans. They're saying that you can spend this amount of money, but you're gonna have to pay me back. It's not free money. If you're just starting out, start off with a debit card so that you know that you can be responsible enough to be able to make your payments on time. So credit cards are maybe something you want to look at later. Just know that that is a tool that's available to you. So what I suggest to people is you determine kind of what kind of products and services that you think you're going to need. You know, do you need a savings account? Do you need a checking account? Also look at the kind of tools that you think you're going to need. So are you going to need a debit card? Is online banking and mobile banking important to you so that you always know how much money you have in your account? So really take a look at your situation, what things that you will need, and then go research which ones can give you the best deal.